Hello dear students of Standard 9th, welcome to grammar class. Today you are going to learn a new grammar topic. The title of the lesson is Remove to and use of so that. Now let's begin the lesson with formula. The formula is like that: when you start sentence and the sentence is given with to, if the sentence contain to, you should apply the same formula to convert into so that. So here is a part of transformation of the sentence. Here subject, then verb, then adjective, adverb, then you have to apply that after adverb and adjective. Any one is given. Then pronoun as per the subject. Whatever the main doer of the action is called subject. As per that you have to apply pronoun after that. Then can, can't, could, couldn't as per the tense of the sentence. Then rest part of the sentence, remaining part of the sentence. Now we move for this example so you can understand better the same formula. First example, he is too poor to send his children to school. Here what is given, you have to just try to understand. Instruction is given: remove to or use so that. Any one instruction can be given, while the heading is like that, transformation of sentence. Here this is the question that you can see: he is too poor to send his children. So as per the formula you have to convert into so that. So answer is given: first subject, then verb, then so, then here adjective, you have to apply that. Then as per subject, if subject is over here male, he, so you have to add here he as per the subject. Then can and cannot, we over here applying cannot because the sentence is in present tense, because is given, so you have to apply cannot. If was is given, so you have to apply with couldn't, yeah, could not. And rest part of the sentence is this: send his children to school. So this is the example. By this you can understand what is the conversation or conversion. If you want to apply so that, so what are the changes that you have to make? Here to, you have to remove, in place of to add so. Second to, you have to remove and add that. Subject and verb remain as it is in the same tense. So question is like that: he is too poor to send his children to school. To word to shows negative aspect, means it shows the negative sentence. So while you convert into using so that, the meaning of the sentence remain as it is same, cannot be changed. So here you have to take care while you convert by using so that the meaning of the sentence remain intact without any change. So here when we apply so that, so what is the sentence? He is so poor that he cannot. Here we apply after that, immediately we apply pronoun as per the subject. He cannot send his children to school. So sentence to shows negative mark, so that's why you apply cannot or could not as per the given tense, and you can convert into so that. So he is so poor that he cannot send his children to school. Now we go for the next sentence. I try to understand the second sentence. He is too old to walk without support. To. If we want to remove, as per I told you, in place of to add so, and in place of to add that. That. Remaining subject and object portion keep as it is without any change. So here he is so old that he cannot walk without support. The sentence may frame like this: he is so old. To in place of so, old adjective as it is, then to convert into that. And I told you, as per the same rule, you have to remember after that you must apply pronoun, and that based on subject. Here subject is male, he, so convert into he. If subject is female, any Rita, Sita or whatever name, so you have to convert into she. You must put over here pronoun, don't put noun over here after that. So he is so old that he cannot walk without support. Here we apply cannot. Why we have applied over here cannot? Because sentence is in present tense. That's why we have to apply cannot. So he is so old that he cannot walk without support. The meaning of the sentence remains same, should not be changed. Important thing to remember, if the sentence containing to is in the affirmative, means positive manner, is a positive statement. The sentence containing so that will be in negative. So sentence containing to, if it is given in positive aspect, means there is no, never, not, this kind of word is not utilized in to. So you must apply no, not, cannot, but with can and could. Cannot, could not, by using so that. So when you apply the sentence using so that, it must be in negative formation, otherwise your sentence will be wrong. So here we go for the example. The news is too good to be true. You can see here first, the news is too good to be true. There is not a single negative word is given in the sentence, so it is called affirmative. Now this kind of affirmative sentences are given, so you have to convert by using so that with not, cannot or could not related to the verb of the sentence. Answer is like that. The news is so good that it cannot be true. Again I repeat, the news is so good that it cannot be true. Here in the whole sentence you can't find it, but how it is placed and why it is placed. As the rule, after you just remember, when you put that, after that you must put pronoun. Here it means refer to subject, and when you want to put pronoun, it refer to the subject, it relate to the subject only. The news is neutral, non-living object, so that's why you have to apply it. Then cannot as per is, means is a present tense sentence. So the news is so good that it cannot be true. You cannot write like this, the news is so good that cannot be true. You must apply it or pronoun as per the subject after that. Now second sentence, he is too proud to beg. Here he is subject, then to and to. He is too proud to beg. Answer is like this, he is so proud, remove to, in place of that apply so, remove T apply that, and now afterward you after that immediately apply noun on exact pronoun related to subject. Here subject is he. So he is so proud that he cannot beg. Cannot related to is in a present tense. If sentence is like this, he was too proud to beg, so answer is like that, he was so proud that he could not beg. Here cannot convert into could not if was is given. Now we go over the next. Now some other example to understand. The tea was too hot to drink. Here tense, past tense. Now if we want to convert by using so that, so you must remember the rule, so that is applicable with negative formation only. So apply not with could and can as per the tense of the sentence. So answer is like that, the tea was so hot that I could not drink it. Here I you have to add, if subject is missing, subject is not given, so you can apply yourself I as a subject, and after that you have to apply pronoun of the main subject. But here subject is tea. The tea was so hot that I could not drink it. You cannot apply over here. It could not drink it. Here when you want to apply subject if missing, because in the sentence the tea was too hot to drink, who is eating just drinking tea is not mentioned in the sentence. So that's why you have to apply the doer of the action by using I. The tea was so hot that I could not drink it. Here was is given, that's why we have to apply could not. You should remember in place yes what was is in past tense, so here apply could not. Not must be there by using the sentence so that. Next one, he spoke too fast to be understood. Too. Now he spoke, here action done by he, subject is given, so here after that you have to put pronoun. He spoke so fast that he could not be understood. That's he could not be understood. Here spoke, if spoke is given, so you have to apply could not, and be understood, the rest of the part of the sentence remain same. There is no change in the rest part of the sentence. So after could not, apply be understood as it is the rest part of the sentence. So here when there is past tense, apply could not, and when there is present tense, apply cannot while framing the sentences by using so that. Now we move to next. Important thing to remember, if the structure of the sentence is like this, subject, verb, T22, adjective, then for is given. In this kind of cases, what you have to do, for plus pronoun. If available, then how you have to convert the sentence in using the different formula with for, F-O-R. So while you convert by using so that, so sentence becomes like this, subject, verb, so, adjective, that, then pronoun of the nominative case means subject, then can't, can, couldn't, could not, and the rest part of the sentence as it is. So now let just make it clear by some examples. These are the example when you just note it, for is given, for. So we go for that. The night is very hot, very cold. Here very or to. If any sentence contain very or to, the conversion of a sentence so that remains same. There is no change. So the night is very cold or too cold for me to bear, means to tolerate. So here for me. So if this kind of sentence is available with to, here to is given, not down to is given with for. So how can you convert? So this sentence is converted like this, the night is so cold. In place of very or to, apply so, cold, that. Now for me you have to remove, and for me convert into I as per the doer of the action, or as per the subjective case means nominative case, yani noun. So a noun or pronoun, as per that you have to convert for me into I, for him is given then into he, for her is given then into she. So here for me convert into I. Don't apply for in so that sentences. The night is so cold that I cannot bear it, means tolerate it. So here cannot as per is present tense. So night is so cold that I cannot bear it or tolerate it. Now second example with for them. The thief ran too fast for them to catch. So here to remove, and apply so. Then here T-O-O-2, remove and apply that. Now the conversion is like this. The thief ran so fast that for them immediately to remove and add that after adjective. Here cold is adjective, here fast is adjective. So after adjective immediately put that. The thief ran fast that they could not catch them. Them convert into they. In previous sentence for me convert into I, here for them convert into they. And as per ran, we convert could not. Cannot convert into could not. The thief ran so fast that they could not catch him. Him means over here thief. Now we go for the next. Next example. The bag was too heavy for her to lift. So 2 is given, but with F or for. So how you have to convert? The same. Remove 2, apply so. Remove TO2, apply that. And remove for her and apply she. Immediately after that, put pronoun. So sentence, the answer is like that. The bag was so heavy that she could not lift it. Here could not related to the past tense was. That's why we have to apply could not. If the bag is too heavy, the sentence is like that. The bag is too heavy. So we have to convert cannot. But here was. So we have to apply could not. Some important examples are given. Just look at the examples. So when you convert the sentence using for him, so convert into he. For me, convert into I. For her, she. That is given in this same example. For her, so convert into she. For you is given in the sentence with to, so apply you. For us, we. And for them, convert into they. Now we move to next. In the same chapter, previously you have been taught use of so that and remove to. But in the same chapter, second part, the title is like this: remove so that and use to. So if the sentence is given like this, sentence number 1, so that is given, you have to convert into TOO to TO2 to. But how you have to convert? You have to follow some rules. So just replace with TOO2, that replace with TO2, and pronoun you have to cross it. Don't write pronoun by using the sentence TO or TOO is to. So at the same time value convert to, remove pronoun and remove cannot, could not, all this kind of word. Because so that when you apply the so that sentences, in that same kind of sentences you have to add cannot or could not to make it negative. But to itself is a negative formation, so that's why you have to remove not, cannot, could not. You should remove and then write down the rest part of the statement. So example, he is so short that he cannot be a police officer. So he is too short to be a police officer. Here the whole part you can see over here that pronoun and cannot is totally omitted. So when we apply by using to, you must apply the same statement without using negative formation of the sentence or negative part of the sentence. Means you should remove cannot or could not, and then you have to frame TOO and TO to. So answer is like that. He is too short to be a police officer. Rest part of the sentence you have to keep as it is. Now we go for the next example, second number. He was so tired that he could not walk. Here, he could not walk. We should omit this. And was is given. So this statement is in past tense. So we have to apply the same without any change. So he was too tired to walk. As per the previous sentence, thus you have to follow the same rule in the second statement. Cannot, could not, and pronoun should be removed. Cannot, could not, pronoun should be removed, and rest part of the sentence you put as it is while you convert into to. So the answer is like that. He was too tired to walk. Now we go for the last example of this chapter. Your story is so ridiculous, is that make you laugh. So ridiculous that she cannot believe it. So the same structure we have to use. Remove so, then in place of that add TOO2, remove that, and in place of that apply to TO2. Here, your story is too ridiculous for me. If you want to apply for me, for us, you may, otherwise it is omitted. Both way, in the both way you have to write down answer. Answer may be like this. Your story is too ridiculous to believe. Your story is too ridiculous to believe. Or you can write the sentence like this by using the nominative case or pronoun by using for as an additional part. Your story is too ridiculous for me to believe. So here we conclude the chapter